In this video, I will show you how to create a drop-down menu in your calculation app. This Excel calculates the price of an insurance policy. We want to provide a drop-down menu for the user to choose the type of insurance. The app already contains a results field displaying the price of the insurance. Let's edit our calculator and add a drop-down menu by dragging a new drop-down element into our calculator. To edit the drop-down, click on the Edit button. Now, let's choose the cell that will contain the output of the dropdown, or, in other words, the value the user selects from the dropdown list. Second, we select the full list of possible options for our dropdown. In case you want the text displayed in the app to be different to the output value in Excel, you can manually change this under Static Items. Below Static Items, add the text you want to be displayed in the app. Below Value, add the value you would like your Excel to use for further calculations. For now, we will leave this empty as we are happy to go with the values defined in our Excel. We are now ready to run our app. Congratulations! The dropdown is now ready to use in our app. If you need further help, feel free to reach out to us. We are happy to support you.